Hi everybody, it's your girl Lisa, also known as the next big thing from Nice Entertainment, and we here at Manifest by Trndza, and I'm here with
Khuthuza
Gcabashe.
These guys are the big dogs. They came from KZN all the way from England to Big Joburg. And what brings you guys here?
Ubesilethela abafowethu sijabule kakhulu ukuthi besilethela kwi-Manifest size-Capital City sizophefoma ngamandla siphatha kahle siyabona kubaluleki bethu siyajabula bangalinye ilanga bazophinde besimisi.
And how do you feel about the energy here at Manifest? Do you feel like you're welcome to the event?
Hayi basiphathela kakhulu, siyabonga abaphathi be-Manifest, siyabonga kuma-sponsors wonke bafowethu bekumnandi kakhulu siphathela kakhulu siyafisa ukuthi nangelinye ilanga niqhubeke niyenze i-Manifest.
And what are you working on right now? What can we expect from you?
Okay, njengoba kungomusha uKhuthuza usestudio ubhizi ne-EP Gcabashe kodwa
Useqalile nje studio ubhizi ne-album.
Okay, that's nice. So one last thing before you guys go. I know this is your merchandise that you're wearing. I love it. But you must teach me in Zulu how to say where they can get it from.
Okay. Bafowethu kufanele ngiqhubele bafowethu tholakala emabonini ukukhuka na-street.
Okay guys, ngiyathenga ikro emaboneng
Ukukhuka
and Main Street.
yatholakala nasethekeni.
Shout out guys. Thank you guys for coming to the
Siyabonga kakhulu nokho.
Yeah.